bot in Power Virtual Agents. So come on, let's start. First, go to Power Apps. Then there is an option called ChatBots. Click on it and click on Create. What is a chatbot? A chatbot helps you to create virtual agents to answer your questions. So click on Basic Conversational Bot. Now let's enter a name for the bot. Test demo bot. So we will select the language. As English, there are many languages. Click on Create. So Power Virtual Agents is making a bot for you. Now we will click on Suggest Topics. We will close this. Then we will go to Greeting Topic. Click on Go to Authoring Canvas. Here are the trigger phrases and the messages from the bot. We cannot edit the trigger phrases as the greeting template is already installed. So we will just change the message of the bot. We will enter as Hi, I am your personal bot ninja. Then we will delete two messages from the bot. Click on three dots and click on delete. And again click on three dots and click on delete. So click on add node. Click on ask a question. We will just ask the question as how can I help you with? Then make sure that the identify is in multiple choice options. Then we will enter options for users as movies. Then click on new option and vacation places. There is a condition already installed here. So click on add node. Then click on show a message. So we will enter the message as below are the suggestions. So we will make the text bold and add bulleted list. Superman, Spider-Man and Harry Potter. Then click on add node and click on end the survey with then go to the vacation places and click on add node. Click on show a message. Enter as below are the suggestions. We will make the text bold and add bulleted list. I will enter Niagara, US, Ooty, India, Disneyland, US. Then click on add node, click on end the survey. Then don't forget to click on the save option. Now it's saving. Now it's saved. Now let's test the bot. I will enter here as hi. Now it's entered hi, I'm your personal bot ninja. How can I help you with? I'll click on movies. Then it replies Below are the suggestions: Superman, Spider-Man, Harry Potter. Did that answer your question? I'll click on yes. So let's rate. I'll rate it to 5. Thanks for your feedback. Can I help you with anything else? I'll click on no thanks. Now the bot is done. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Now I would like to show my recent Scratch project. It is about when no one joins me to play. It is an animation. So let's play. Now let me show the code. Oh, this is the code I have done. So I will show how to make this in my next project. Thank you all.